Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another Zach Vlogs, and today is Tuesday. Today has been a pretty long, weird day. Today, Pippin, what are you doing, bud? There's nothing out here. Anyway, he's like going nuts. Today has been super weird. I don't know if you guys can see it. Probably not very well. There's like, there he goes. Just running around because he can. Pip, where are you going? There's nothing out here, bud. Just go to the bathroom. Jeez Louise. So today's been super weird. So today I got up this morning and I went and worked out. And when I went to, well, I'll just show you this. So I went in to work out at 9 o'clock and it was beautiful outside. 45 minutes later, it's like a blizzard out here. There's snow everywhere. It got a lot colder. 45 minutes. What the hell? Guys, this is ridiculous. Can you see this? Can you see this snow? This is weird. And it's cold. Yeah, it's cold. I have long sleeves, but I'm hot, so I like it. So, yeah. It's been like that all day. Like, literally just like 20 minutes of blizzard and then 20 minutes of like, hey, it's like springtime. So it's like a springtime blizzard. I don't even know. Like, it's so weird. And like, it's not even that cold outside, but then we've had this super bad wind. So like, everything's like just blowing sideways. It's like we have a wind advisory and everything. Like, it's so bad. It's just been weird. Like, it's been like, again, like, I don't know if you can see it. There's like snow and stuff right here, but it's like, I don't even know. It's just crazy. Like, weird weather and just spring blizzard. It's like, I don't know. It's just been on and off all day. Like, at least 8 times today I would look up and it'd be like, oh, it's nice and sunny. I'd look down, help somebody else look up, and it'd be like sleeting and snowing so bad you can't even see in front of the windows. And then it's like, what the hell is going on? But yeah, so that's been going on today. Last night, I made that chicken. I did my whole meal prep, and the chicken turned out pretty good, guys. So, excuse me. Oh God, I'm sorry. So yeah, today was a pretty darn good day. I don't really have much else to say for today, except it was just a pretty good day with the spring blizzard. I don't know. Also, I can't find this jacket anywhere online. If anybody wants to help me find it, it's called the Hard Edge RN 6533, like RN number pound 65933, and that's like the model number. Can't find it anywhere online, anywhere, nothing. So if you guys want to help me find this jacket somewhere, you too can look like me. Or you can help me get another one, just in case this one ever goes bad. I always like to have backups. Anyway, I'm going to go. Thanks for watching, everybody. Spring blizzard, super weird. Subscribe, tell your friends, and as always, cool beans.